A warm welcome to our channel, ladies and gentlemen. Nacha, her friend, and I visited Runway Market in Pattaya the other night. The market is famous for its random Boeing 747 in the middle of the place. The place had plenty of food and drinks to choose from. It's a short walking distance to the infamous Soi 6 strip. If you like what you see, please press the subscribe button and help build this channel for us. And enjoy the show. Alright guys, we are at the Runway street food market. This is huge, this is massive. Yeah, you got some crocodile meat again for that acquired taste. And Blake, he's got the groove on. Got his double back step happening. Now. Oh, it's all happening here.
You want to drink something?
Yeah, water. By the way, that's a real aeroplane parked in the middle of markets here. It's a random concept theme, but kind of cool. Got a band. One can only imagine how busy this place will be during high season. The underbelly of the aeroplane. I wonder if you can get in the plane. Actually, I wonder if it was ever in service. Yeah, they feel like legit wheels. So much food here. Busy night. People eat all hours of the day here in Thailand. There's no set time. I'll go find where Nacha is. There she is. Having a bit of a chin wag with her friend she hasn't seen in a while. Swag!